Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cat Mario. So let's start in the center page. We're going to draw a small oval for the nose. Start right in the middle at the very top. And stretch this out toward the left. Come back in towards the middle. Now let's bend this out towards the right. Going out, around, and back in towards the center. We want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose. We're going to leave a gap in the middle. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a large oval. Going up towards the top. Come all the way around the side and then back in towards the nose. Let's line this up on the right. Going up towards the top, towards the same height, round at the eye, and then bend that back in. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a large circle. Go all the way around and just pull that back in towards the nose. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to draw a smaller circle in the center. So we're going to start from the top of the nose, going all the way around, and then back in. Along the top of the pupils, let's add a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, we're going to follow that same curve coming up and then down. Line it up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the point, go up higher in the middle, and then back down towards the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now let's move back down and draw on the mustache. Underneath the left eye, starting from the side of the nose, I want to bend this out and then up. Line it up on the right. Now I want to add a series of curves across the bottom of the mustache. Starting from the outside, and this around and in like a bracket. Let's add another set, coming down and then up. And then one more set, and we're going to pull this up in towards the middle, just underneath the nose. Now with the face complete, we want to draw a large circle going around the outside. So let's start from the left side. Bend this down, come in just underneath the mustache, and then bend that back up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve this up, go above the eyebrows, and then bend that back down. Let's add a seam going across the eyebrows. Starting from the left, going up and in. Bend this in between, and this out, and then down towards the right. And then we're going to add some hair along the outside. Let's start on the left, bend this in and out. Add one more curve, coming down and then out. Now let's draw the outside of the mask. Starting on the bottom left, bend this out, and then up towards the cheek. And we'll line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Now from here, I'm going to bend this in and then up. Go back to the left side. Just going to trace the circle along the outside, going up, across the top of the head, and then we'll bring that back down. Let's add a seam, starting from this point, then it's down and then in towards the edge of the mask. Now I want to place those two large ears on the top of the head. We start on the left, bend this up, and then curl that out towards the side. Round up the ear, come down, and then in. Let's trace the ears along the side and the bottom. So start by following that curve, going across, bend this up, round up the tip, and then bend that back down. We're going to add a fold across the inside, starting from the bottom corner, bend this up, and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the arms. We start underneath the head on left, draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the wrist. Line this up on the right side. Now curve the wrist going up and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend the arm going up and then curve that in underneath the head. In between the arms, we're going to add a curve going up towards the chin and then back down. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. From these 2 points, we're going to add a bracket and then curve the bottom. Now we're going to add those large front paws. Let's start from the bottom left, goes around, and just pull that up towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming around and then hooking that up. Now we're going to go to the inside. Curve this in, around at the bottom, and then bend that up. Let's connect the ends with another curve in the middle. From the point on left, we're going to bend this out and then up, and then from the inside go in the opposite direction. In between the paws, let's draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to draw the hind legs. Let's start with the paw, starting from the left, goes around and then hook that in. Line it up on the right side. Let's add another one. Stepping over, curves around, and then in. Now do that one more time, coming all the way around towards the top, and then bend that down towards the inside. We're going to go to the side of the arms and draw the hind leg, going out, bend this in on top of the feet. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail coming out from the left side. Start from the top of the leg, this out, then up, round at the end. Now follow that same curve coming back in. Let's add a seam across the end of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Cat Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you enjoy sketch illustration, then come visit our sketch club on School. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.